Hello and welcome to this tutorial. We have this beautiful vehicle inside 3ds Max, which we need to change its orientation to match our project requirements. First, we need to make sure that the vehicle is centered on the y-axis in the top view. We need to flip the current vehicle orientation in the left view, so that the front of the vehicle will be at the left and its back will be at the right. In the top view, we need the vehicle front to be at the top and its back to be at the bottom. To change the current orientation, simply we can use the rotation tool. To rotate the vehicle parts 180 degrees on the z-axis. However, after rotating the vehicle parts, we encounter a misalignment on the y-axis. The same will happen if we use the mirror tool. The cause of this problem is the pivot, or the origin point, of the vehicle parts. Switch to the Pivot menu, and press on Effect Pivot only. As you can see, the pivot gizmo, or handle, also called the object global axis, is not centered to the world for each vehicle part. Select a single object, then switch to the Move tool. Move the cursor to the transform type in, right-click on the up and down bottoms, to reset the location to 0 for each axis. Press Ctrl and I to invert the selection. Use the Align tool to align other handles to the object we just reset. Now, you can use the rotation or the mirror tool to change the vehicle orientation. As you can see, the vehicle is still centered on the y-axis, and we did not encounter any misalignment. The final step in this tutorial is to reset the xform for all objects, since we have changed their location. Select all objects, go to the Utility menu, press Reset xform, then press Reset selected twice. Apply Edit Poly modifier to all objects and collapse the modifier stack. These steps we have shown in this tutorial are required when exporting your project to any other software. Thanks for watching.